Part of the insecurity challenges in Kisii is related to land pressure. You report many cases here that of murder. There are very many cases of murder in this county. You also report cases of killing of older persons in the name of, or they are engaged in witchcraft. The reality is that it is not about witchcraft. Witchcraft is the excuse. The real truth is that younger people are eliminating their elders so that they can quickly inherit land because of the pressure of land. So land is a big contributing factor insofar as murder is concerned here, and all these killings that are done in the name of witchcraft are at the end of the day related to land issues. This is a conversation we must continue having with the lands ministry to see how best succession can be expedited. But I tell you, without fear of contradiction, the solution to land issue in Kisii is to have land consolidation.